Hello, and welcome back to my channel, guys. Really sorry for the delay in making another video. Really sorry, just because I lost my mobile phone. I did not had any other instrument to shoot another video. So now I'm just back with another video with an ultimate home theater system, which is actually a speakers for computers. Yeah, it can be a multi-purpose speaker, not exactly only for computers. All right, so now I'm presenting you a legendary speaker which is from Logitech. It is Z625. Okay, there is another similar model which is Z623. So everything would be same between these two speaker models. Only thing is this Z625, you will get an optical input port as well, through which you can connect this to gaming or television, everything. You will get crisp and clear sound. Okay, so I'll do one thing. These are my computer speakers. I just purchased few sound bars, if you can see my previous videos, but I wasn't satisfied with those things, so I just brought my room speakers back to my hall. Just wanted to share my experience with these speakers. It has been more than 3 years now. Yeah, but still it is really unused kind of. All right. I'll not use it much since I started working from home. I did not get chance to use my personal PC. All right. So without wasting any more time, I'll do one thing. I'll just play some music and show you how good it is even after 3 years now. All right. I'll just tell you one more thing. These speakers are of 200 RMS. The subwoofer itself is 7 inch, and it has RMS of 120 watt. Remaining are for these satellite speakers. All right, one more thing, guys. These speakers don't have any fancy or features like Bluetooth or HDMI. Yeah, wireless subwoofer, nothing as such. These are the simple and classical speakers, but very hard. Do not even think of underestimating this. All right, let's go to the music. I'll just play some NCS music. All right, I don't want to get fringed by and copyright thing by YouTube. Just bear with me. I'll just play some songs from. See, I just connected my mobile phone through HDMI jack. If you can see this, see, it is connecting directly to the satellite speaker. I'm just playing some music now in CS. These bloody ads. was all. Just let me know guys how good the speakers are still. I can suggest these speakers only for the bass lovers and the true audiophiles who would love to listen to the music same as how it was made in studio. Alright, these speakers are really good still even after 3 years of time. Let's say almost 4 years now. Okay, these speakers, I mean this particular model 620 Z625 is not available online, but you can still go with Z623, which is available on Flipkart and Amazon as well, but it will cost too much still, almost like 13 to 14k now. But you have to compromise with optical port or any other. You should be able to use only with aux cable. I have just ordered an Bluetooth receiver so that I can connect this Bluetooth receiver to this system and use it wirelessly via Bluetooth on mobile phone. And I'll just make another video by connecting this speaker to the TV via optical cable, optical input. I'll let you know how good that is. In this video, this is all. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Bye.